In today's video, you will learn how I go from barefaced to bronzy, pretty, and polished with just 7 products and in under 7 minutes. For the purposes of this video, I am not including skin prep products in the 7. I'm going to assume you've already applied your moisturizer, perhaps a serum, your sunscreen. One of my current favorite sunscreens is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It has an SPF of 40. It is water and sweat resistant, and it works beautifully under my foundation. Because I have oily skin and live in a very hot climate, my foundation of choice is the Dior Forever Skin Perfect. I love this because I can just swipe, blend, and go. This foundation lasts me all day long. It blurs my imperfections, and it just takes no time at all to apply it and have it look absolutely perfect. I am only using one brush in this video, and that is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Brush number 7. If you have dry skin, I would recommend the Ciel Tint and Protect SPF 50. Or if you prefer something without an SPF, the Dior Backstage Face and Body would be an excellent choice. For dry skin, my pick for a drugstore alternative would be the L'Oreal True Match Nude Tinted Serum. And for oily skin, the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. Unfortunately, I have yet to find a drugstore foundation stick that works on my oily skin. After foundation, I go in with a hydrating medium coverage concealer like this one from Patrick Ta. This is the Major Skin Soft Blur Brightening Concealer. A good drugstore concealer option that I would recommend that's also medium coverage would be the NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer with up to 24-hour hydration. Then, because my brows are extremely fair, I like to build them up and add a tint using this long-wearing Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Styling Gel. One might say I have an obsession with the Rhode Pocket Blushes. I purchased all of these with my own money. I am not on the Rhode PR list. My favorite shade for the summertime is Tan Line. As you can see here, I apply it to my cheeks, my forehead, the top of my nose, anywhere the sun would naturally hit. And this blends out so easily and just looks so natural, and it mimics your skin being kissed by the sun. I also apply it to my eyelids and my lips. Similar products from the drugstore would be CoverGirl Skin Enhancer in Nude Flush and the Morphe Cheek Thrills Face Trio in After Party. I prefer to use a tubing mascara in the summertime. Tubing mascaras are great because they're water resistant, sweat proof, and are easily removed with just warm water and your fingertips. The one I'm using is from Thrive Cosmetics. It is their liquid lash extensions, and I'm using a black-brown shade called Crystal. An excellent drugstore alternative to the Thrive would be e.l.f. Lash Extender. If you know me at all, you know I love a lip liner. And one of the longest wearing lip liners on the market is the Artist Color Pencil Extreme from Makeup Forever. I'm using the shade Anywhere Caffeine, which is a perfect match for the Rhode Tan Line Pocket Blush. While not quite as long lasting, a really good alternative is e.l.f.'s lip liner in Mauve Aside. Then I lock everything down with a little powder. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection. If you prefer to use a high-end powder, the new Natasha Denona High Glam Setting Powder is absolutely incredible. And then 2 optional steps are 1, using a lip gloss that also has SPF. I'm using the K-Skin Isle Lip Balm in Nude Ting. A great alternative for the K-Skin lip gloss would be the e.l.f. Skin Sun Boss Sunscreen with SPF 25. And by the way, this is not a sponsored post for e.l.f. And the second optional step is to use a setting spray. I have been loving this from One Size. It is the Until Dawn Mattifying Sunscreen Makeup Setting Spray. It has an SPF of 28. Once again, I want to give you a more affordable option, so you may want to try the Milani Make It Last Sunscreen Setting Spray with SPF 30. So that's it. 7 main products in under 7 minutes using just 1 brush. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new content at least twice per week.